recorded for quality and training purposes. Manage your account in.
Hello.
Good evening, this is Ambika here. How may I help you?
Miss Ambika.
Yes, sir.
I'm complain na.
Yes, sir.
Complain is na.
Yes.
Last time na.
Yes.
Last time giving balance na.
Mm-hmm.
Balance is very fast speed going na.
Mm-hmm.
Minute is going very speed na.
Okay.
Then next also dialer tune is last time giving. Please forgive me, Brenda Johnson na.
Okay.
Then now not having what to do.
You mean to say that your balance are getting deducted?
No. What I say no. Last time na.
Yes, sir.
Last time my balance is put in na 50 recharge card na.
Okay.
Then this time na.
Mm-hmm.
Very speedy balance is 1 minute 2 rupees going na.
Okay.
Then very wonder surprise me na.
Okay.
What is to do with me na? My SIM is very fast speed is balance going na.
Okay.
Who is to know what about this complaint na?
Okay. Well, sir, for this, I'll surely help you out giving you the information.
No, na, Miss Ambika na.
Yes, sir.
Then dialer tune is coming last time na.
Mm-hmm.
Dialer tune Brenda Johnson na.
Okay.
Please forgive me na. Very like this do my son that is na.
So what do you want to do? Whether you want to deactivate the dial tune?
Dialer tune is deactivate, yeah. My having
Okay,
no
sir.
memory card
So
na.
before I give you any information, sir, may
No,
I know your full name?
No, my name.
Yes, sir.
Cornell.
Kunal.
Cornell.
Kunal.
Mm.
Mr. Kunal, thank you so much for providing me a very good name.
No, Miss na.
Mr. Kunal, you want to deactivate the dial tune? Is it from the same calling number or from the other number?
From the no na. Last time having na dialer tune na. Now it's not having na.
No, what do you want
No,
to do? What do
balance
you want
is
to know
very
actually?
fast. Actually, na. Balance is very fast going na. That's why. That's why is. Miss.
Yes?
Listen.
What do you want to know,
No,
sir?
listen to me na.
Yes, sir.
Speed is going na. Balance na.
That is not called speed, sir.
Then.
What do you want to know, sir?
No, very speed is going na. Balance na. Then very surprised na.
What do you want to do? Please tell me, no, sir.
No, help me to go slowly. Balance is running na.
Now, what do you want to do?
No, balance running slowly going is my telling.
So, what do you want to do, sir? Please let me know. What do you
I
want to
want
do?
balance is going slowly.
You don't want your balance to be deducted.
No, balance is talking to others going slowly.
You want your balance to
myself.
be deducted.
No.
So
Balance
what do
is
you
go
want to know?
slowly. Balance is go slowly.
What balance is go slowly, sir? I'm not understanding.
You
what
don't
you're trying to
understand
say.
me, miss.
I don't understand, sir.
Balance is very fast going now. Last time now. Last
You want your
time now.
balance to be deducted. You want
No.
your balance to be deducted slowly, sir.
Yeah, miss. You understand me, right?
No, like, you want your balance to be deducted, sir. Why do you want your balance to be deducted?
No. Last time now, going very speed now. Then this time, I want slowly is going balance now. What you are saying now?
You want your balance to be deducted.
No, what you are saying, I don't know.
So what do you want to know? Are you not comfortable in English?
No, very
Want
comfortable.
your balance to be deducted? What
No, balance is
are
not
you
deduct.
talking about? Sir, I'm not getting you.
Then,
You are saying that your balance are getting deducted.
no, where are you speaking now? Where are you speaking now,
What do
Miss
you want to
Andika?
know?
No, where you are
No,
speaking
sir,
now?
please let me know.
No, my balance
Okay.
is slowly going. Is my having very happy now.
What do you want to know actually, sir?
I want balance is going slowly.
Why you want your balance speeded up, sir?
No, talking to others na. Talking to others time very slow is going my happy na. Then last time very speed is balance 7 going na. Talking to others. Miss.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please tell me your problem properly.
Yeah, my balance is very speed going na.
What do you mean by that? By that, sir? That your
No,
balance is
last time balance is speed going. Then this time I want very slow is balance going na.
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm unable to understand what you're trying to say. Do you know any other language which you are very comfortable besides, like, do you know Hindi?
No. My only knowing is English doing.
English, but
Yeah.
the way you are saying, it's very difficult for me to understand.
Then you don't know English.
But the way you are speaking, the English you are speaking is very difficult for me to understand.
Difficult to understand.
Yes.
Oh, I'm speaking very clearly is doing now my.
But your sentence is not coming very straight. Like, the sentence is very jumbled up.
Jumper. I'm not saying example.
Yes, will you please tell me exactly why saying that? your
Enough.
balance is-
No problem. Problem
No
is
problem.
not solving. Enough.
Okay, so
Enough.
then thank you very much.
Okay,
for calling
bye-bye,
yourself.
sir.
Wonderful day.
Bye-bye.